There, this is a test. We just went ahead and applied the recommendations, and we removed the unrequired authorization scopes, and we preserved the one that we did require and added it to the OAuth request. We just finished updating our scripts, and we're gonna test on the dev one. That's pretty much it. Well, not the dev one. We're gonna test on the operation one because we have to. So the script has been recently updated, so we should have the latest version in here. Okay. Yep, this is the one that we require just to run. Let me re-add it. What action that might be? I mean, since this is not loading even the context card, we are almost certain that this is one of those permissions that is simply required to run a. No, I don't want to see that. Thank you. Yeah. Let's go to an account that does have access to logs. Oh, nobody does. Oh, I don't. Oh, yes, this other account might have. Okay. Okay. I mean, this error that we're getting comes just to the execution of the very basic context card. Not even that, the main card. The way to test that it is entirely required perhaps would be to do something really simple in the main function, in the main card, which could be something like return. This is a function I have created. Show law in card. That's it. So I'm gonna save this. This show log in card is a very simple function that essentially just does create a card and deliver it with the content of the object you were sent, you received. So if that doesn't load, that means that is a permission that is entirely required just to run a Google Drive, a workspace add-on. Yep, indeed. Okay, so this one in particular was the test we needed to perform because we were not fully aware whether that was required or not. I'm gonna re-add it. Once I have done this in the app script, I use my personalized script. This update client, the only thing that it does is that you provided the data from the scripts you want to update, and it goes ahead and builds a link. Builds a request down here with execution. We do clasp push, and that's pretty much it. Clasp uses the information on clasp JSON to push to the script the project. So that's that. So I just went ahead, re-allowed that particular permission, and let's go ahead and see. Oh, that's interesting. I think it might have not been updated. I forgot to hit enter. And we have to do overwrite. There we go. Okay, this is the one that I was mentioning is just a minimal menu that returns the event. So by removing it and updating my clients, they no longer require the confirmation of AppScripts this file change, the AppScripts.json. Okay, that seems right. I am already sharing this one. That seems okay. I might need a new test file. Why is this already shared and with whom? Oh, of course, because I'm in a corp. Okay, so I open the application. It picks up that I am already looking at a file. It allows me to start the monitoring of that file. We are going to try this as notifying endpoint. Okay, those seem to be shared successfully. We're going to try the, okay. I'm sorry, this is a new account we created and has all those little things coming up. Okay, so this one should be out of shares if I request it from elsewhere. Okay, so I just request access. Now we would be waiting. Well, we wait for a few seconds because it's not instant. Oh, there we go. It was pretty instantaneous this time. That's awesome. So it does seem to be working all in all well. We no longer have errors. And let me see what else. We do have logs of the events, no errors. Okay, there we go. So that's that. The application seems to be running with the successful elimination of one of the requests. I mean, reviewing the request. Gmail read-only is necessary because what we do when we get an update is check the user Gmail inbox for the data of the requester, the email of who is requesting access to the file. The metadata read-only is the one we just tested that cannot be removed because you just can't run a AppScripts workspace add-on without it. And the last one, script app, that one was removed because this I used only when deploying on multiple scripts to collect the ID of the script and report it to the server to know who I was talking with. But I don't actually need that piece of data there. All I'm gonna do is tag the production with a label, so we no longer require this permission. I will actually send this video to you after we succeeded on this test. Thank you for your time, and that should be pretty much it. Let me know if there is any update that is required. Bye bye.